Today on Gunpla Friday, we are going to be doing the SD Sengoku Astray. Hey guys, it's TK. I'm joined again by Jacob, and we're going to be doing the SD Sengoku Astray Gundam today. The SD version of Neil Nielsen from Gundam Build Fighters. So, now let's go ahead and, like usual, we'll just go ahead and take a pop inside the box and see what we got. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Pull out our runners and we'll take a look and see what we have here. Like usual, all of the pieces are already color coded. Now naturally, if you want the finer detail pieces, oh, we have one come loose.
Well, sorry, you'll have to cut out.
That one would be right there.
Okay.
We'll just set our bottom piece off to the side.
What number is that?
That is number 8. So just like most of the kits, the instructions are in Japanese, but thankfully they are pictures so we can actually see what we need to do. In which case we will just take that and we'll set it up at the top of our workstation.
I thought you could read Japanese.
To an extent. Very little. This way, as we go along, we can see what we need to do. So, funny part is, actually, this one is the very first piece that's telling us to take out. Now, the question is... they give you two versions of the eyes. You have your standard Gundam green eye, but then you have the SD version, which actually has little tiny eyeballs inside of it. Now, the question is, Jacob, do we want it straight up Gundam, or do you want the SD eyeball version?
Eyeball.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take that one off, as this is the very first step. And we're going to go ahead and apply this sticker.
I don't think that'll be hard for me to do.
Well, that's why I go ahead and put it on there.
That's the head.
That's the face. Part of the face.
Oh, with like really ugly for it.
Not really. Most of the kits will actually have you do the heads first. The other one was just an older kit.
Oh, here you go. Here's a full head.
Now, it wants us to go ahead and assemble next the rest of the head, which means you need to cut out this piece.
That piece.
Now, with this one in particular, it wants you to go ahead and put this into the back first. So, it goes ahead and slides in there. Okay. Now, I want you to go ahead and put the phone on. There you go. I'll finish it.
Well, you got the basic part done. Mostly.
And there we have the start to our basic Gundam head. Now, we move on to step 2. Okay.
Ooh, that gets a screen top.
So this one, it wants us to go ahead and put this sticker piece on.
That piece goes on the main top of the head.
So we go ahead and just slide that in there.
I'm looking at pieces. That's what they're called.
Now,
I'll find that later.
it wants you to go ahead and put this sticker on, since I'm going to do the foils for you.
This spike.
Oh, the decals.
Are they cows?
Decals.
Oh.
That's what these are called. Now, with this one, it wants you to go ahead and put these two together. So it goes together like that. So you go ahead and put them together.
I didn't finish all closely, but I got
Now.
most of it. No good one here.
Next up, it wants you to put this one on. Which, I'll go ahead and put this one in.
Hey, maybe when we get like the stomach of it, we can like put it like here.
Well, we're going to leave the head off to the side. Okay, now it wants you to go ahead and put the top on. See that little piece right there?
Yeah.
Right in there.
I figured.
There, you fish.
Yeah.
Make sure. There it goes. Okay.
I put it on the head.
Now it wants you to shove the head in there.
I was like, put it in the head.
Now.
This?
Like this. So that way your head just slides right up in there. And then we have that.
You get the little basic. Like that.
And there's your first part of the Sengoku Astray. Okay, so it wants you to take piece 7, that would be this one, and it wants you to put in those, correct? Here, I'll do this one.
Huh?
I'm gonna do this one since you're in La La Land. Okay. Because see, with this one, it wants these holes to stick out particularly. And then these pieces just
Put them together.
snap together there. So then there's that part of it done. In which case it just goes straight onto the front.
I
Like,
don't get much practice on this.
oh, shut up. Like that. Okay, so from here it wants D and E. Okay. It wants you to put D in the top. So you're going to put the big side in the top. And then E. In there?
Yeah.
Okay. Then it wants E in the bottom. See how the shapes are?
Yes.
So it wants you to put it in like that.
There.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that piece is ready. Now we need pieces 1 and 1 here. I'll go ahead and prep this one for you. Because all this is, well, here. Put that down in there. You make sure to put the flat side down and round side up. So when you put it on, it should go on like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Push it down all the way. It'll snap. Here it goes. Now, it'll snap all the way.
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah. Okay, so next, from simple as that. So next up, it tells us we need this one. Right, right. We need A and B. Okay. Now, you do the same. Put those two together. Just like how I put this one together. Definitely gives you a little bit more articulation. This one's actually pretty sturdy so far from everything. No? Flip it over. You're doing it backwards, dude.
Someone flipped it over.
See that hole? That hole? Okay.
I was too busy watching the camera.
Well, quit watching the camera. Okay, then next. Now.
Oh, that's when the mask comes in handy. I must have got the end.
Okay, so then it just wants those slid in there.
Does that show me how to do it?
I just showed you. Just put it in there.
I know, just wait, show me how to do it.
Okay. You go ahead and put the other hand in.
And you get to listen to pieces if I do it.
Now, so I'll put together one side and you do the next side. So pay attention. Okay. Then we take the other arm piece. Is that what it says here? Oh, yeah. Helps if you pay attention to the full thing.
Oh, what did you forget?
I forgot to put the top on it. In which case we go, bam. So go ahead and put that one up there.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I had on all sides first. Well, you could say straps, that wouldn't really matter.
Okay. Now put the decals. Oh, those little decals, they sneak up on you out of nowhere. Says tell me 3.
9, 10, 13, 12.
You borrow your clippers?
See, that's how you use them, so turn them off with your hands. Most of the time.
Now if I had tweezers, I could just push them right down and slide them where I need to.
I use just like sitting there tapping it. I thought he was like,
Nope, I was sliding it around.
I thought he got stuck.
Now, with a piece like this, it wants us to just slide those up in there like that.
I keep making sure that like the camera don't go off like every minute. So
And then we have the first little arm.
that's okay. Totally.
Now, let's see here. It wants you to do from runner C.
This one actually has a collar to it, like good collar to it.
Mm-hmm. We need 4 and 3.
One's Leo over here.
So what this is telling us first is first we put this piece on.
What about the other one?
Well, hang on. And then we proceed to the shoulder piece here. We take this one and we put it up on the shoulder right there. See, this way it goes with that. Okay. And then that arm is done. Now it's told us to go ahead and proceed and do this one, which we've already done. Ha 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 ha. We're impatient. We don't have time for their games. But now we'll proceed and do the same exact thing again I'm going to borrow your clippers, so I'll go ahead and get it loose for you.
Tell me you use a creeper.
The only time I used a creeper today.
I thought I could use a creeper for any season. I don't know why I said creepers for. I'll go ahead and put that together.
Okay, go ahead and put those two together. Like I said, that one into the little hole. Because while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put your other sticker on.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, go ahead and put these two together. Then I'll go ahead and put the other sticker on this one like it's supposed to. Okay. It just snaps together, really.
Can you put this on again?
Okay.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Maybe it's like this? Oh, like that.
Like that. Now.
Put this piece right in the middle.
Now. This one and this one, it's going to go in like this. So make sure that this side sticks out, okay? This side, go here, the little side. And it's just going to snap up in there. So just like that.
And we'll leave the big piece out.
Here it goes. Let me see. Like I said, little. Backwards. Nope. Well, your side's just stubborn, Jacob.
Should I have it what?
No. Get it backwards. So I said, little side and little side. Now you're going to take this hole and you're going to put there. Okay. And while you're doing that, I'm going to take a look at the next piece. In which case...
Okay.
Yep, just like it. Now we have both arms done. Okay, so there it goes. So we can just get everything prepped as we go along here. Now,
Hey, you actually how to use that.
now it's saying that we need what piece to go with this one? Number 7, the sticker.
Number 7, the sticker. Wait, we're on 7?
We're actually on number 9.
Oh, I was not sure on number 7.
Oh, and number 8. So I gotta have 2 stickers. So it's right there.
How do you think this will turn out in the end?
We'll find out in the end. Hopefully it turns out good.
You mean like the other one? Except for nothing pops off?
And hopes nothing pops off.
Look at those hard. Well, not that hard, but still it's confusing. And then you have to figure out where it goes and all that.
No, let me flip the sticker around.
Take's so quiet. Take go to sleep.
No, he's in there playing. Okay. And then I need the sticker number 8. Decal number 8. Okay. Now, all you got to do is take that and insert that in there. Let's go ahead. Well, actually, mix it. No, this way. I was going to take you upside down.
Back right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, making sure that it's like this. Because I always get confused and like lost like that.
While you're doing that, I'm going to work on the stickers of this one.
Oh, I see how that's a gun out of the leg.
No, that's just a shin.
Oh.
Knee. Okay, now, while I'm doing this, take this piece right here off.
Okay. I'm actually going to use this. I'm going to use it. Yes, I had 2 off lives. There you go.
Okay, and then this one right here. And basically while you're doing those, I'm going to go ahead and fixing the stickers on these, get them ready.
You guys end up playing this more gun.
I know.
Yep.
Always doing it backwards. And this is why you always do it over the table.
I found it.
Whatever. As these are some little pieces.
Oh, I see why now. I didn't get all of it. I see why now. Okay. Looks like with that off. There you go. Here you go.
Okay. Now, just like with the other one, you're going to go ahead and put this together. So, just like that.
I'm putting it in the wrong way. Like always.
Okay. Get.
I'm struggling getting it on. I can't get it.
Because you got it upside down. I'll line it up for you.
I always have everything upside down eventually. Let me try.
Yeah. You're nothing if not consistent.
You can't have one thing upside down. You have to have like a lot more.
Is that in there? There it is. Okay. Let me go ahead and borrow this for a moment. Put this other sticker in there.
This is the beginning of the leg. Have fun to look at it. This is I'm trying to figure out what effing is at first.
Okay. Alright, now just like before, proceed to put the balls on there.
Okay, I can do that. If I can get this light.
Flat side down. That way it snaps all the way down.
Yeah, if I can.
Yeah.
First I have to get able to get it.
Oh, you're doing that. I have one more sticker that I need on here. Okay, then go ahead and you put both of them on there?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and put the foot on. No.
Yeah.
Flip her in there. Let me see. Hey. Put the foot down. Like that. Turd. Okay. Now you're ready for assembly. Right here in a moment. So next up,
That goes on last.
we need right here.
Hopefully he's looking at this. Hey, still 13 left.
Yeah, well, not to that yet. See, we're on part where we need 6 and 7. So we need this. And this. So, what you're going to do is go ahead and put these together. Yeah, there and there.
Hold on, I can get this right.
Where's 5?
It clicked, I got right. There. Now where does this go?
It goes nowhere.
Okay.
Go and pull this out real quick.
So it goes nowhere, is it? A piece fell off.
No, it's a piece I never put in.
And on?
Mm-hmm.
Is it for both pieces too? Or did you put that one in? 13.
Always make sure to go ahead and look at what you're doing.
Oh, 13 comes on last too. 13 and 12 get last. Guess 13 and 12.
Okay. This last one. Now we are ready to assemble. So first and foremost, I'll go ahead and pop the body on. Which way do we pop the body on? This way? You'll see this way it allows it to move around. And then you want to proceed to put the legs on?
Yes.
Maybe. If I could put it on there without putting it on backwards.
There goes one.
One leggy.
Oh.
And there went something.
Oh.
Let me see. Let me see. Something went, we're just not entirely sure what, from the sounds of it.
I mean, nothing weird, it's just like made that noise. Me doing it wrong. Nothing's okay.
It's hard to tell what it was. But there's the first part of him. Now he's got a lower body. Now we'll go ahead and put the arms on. I'll go ahead and put one on and we'll let you put on the other.
I want to stick. Oh, so it goes like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's stick the head on.
Oh, we'll let you stick the head on. So.
There's a little room. The big thing goes in this.
Alright, there's the first arm. I'll hold her in place. Here. Good. Here you go. Here, let's get this out of the way.
What?
Yeah. Hey, your arm's coming out. There it goes. There you go. I can put it there. I'll hold it. Let me give you a hand.
I'm just pushing it inside.
I'm just pushing stuff. Leave me alone. Don't. So there's the first parts of it done. We're going to go ahead now and cut out the last few little pieces here.
And the left pieces are for the back.
Here's the first katana. Here's the other one. Now, with this one in particular, there's a couple ways that we can do this. One, we can have them go ahead and hold in it.
Okay.
I'll show you. Hold on to the other one, I'll show you. And then, or, if we wanted them to be mounted in position, they actually store up on the very top. So depending on what you want to do with it. Now another little tidbit about this one. This piece actually will extend down.
Without breaking it off, hopefully.
Well, it will extend down, but I'm playing really, really hard with it. Now mind you, if you're going to be posing it differently, yeah, you're going to probably knock it off. But as you can see, this piece will actually extend down. But I think it looks better if we just leave it up here. We'll pull both swords back out. And put it back up in its resting slot here.
That's what I'm going to say, put it in the slot.
Get in there.
Yeah, get in the hole.
And there's the first parts of our Sengoku Astray SD. Then the only things that we have left is just our last two little pieces here.
And that goes onto the back.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I see where they go. There's two holes I see.
Maybe.
Won't come out for you.
Sometimes it's just easier to cut that last little bit. Now with this one in particular, slide that in there, then what you can do is you can actually have them hold it on the front. But we're gonna have his body fall apart.
You both are.
He done said he had enough of this crap and he is falling apart. Okay, and as you can see here, we have our finished SD Sengoku Astray. And definitely a good little build. He's actually a solid little thing. The shoulder pieces kind of want to pop loose a little bit when you're doing it, but as far as posing and everything, it's actually really good on it. And I love the looks with the katanas inside the shoulders, or you can pose them with it in the hand, however you want to do it. This depends on each individual person, but all in all, it was actually a wonderful little build. Drop a comment down below, let us know what kits you'd like to see us work on next here on Gunpla Friday. Thank you for clicking the like button. Let us know that you actually enjoy these videos. Make sure to click the subscribe button so you can be up to date with all the latest from us here at Tri-City Otaku. And until next time, this is TK and Jacob signing out.